Okay, this is room 10, Chateau Marmont. It's a standard one bedroom. So from the entryway looking in, got full-size television, and you've got the mini bars. You've got stocked fridge. Pretty nice room, comfortable bed. We had 3 people staying in this room, and so we had this extra bed brought in. That was pretty cool. You've got the toilet, nice marble finish in the shower. We're just leaving, so there's a few dirty towels. Then you've got this nice sitting area here. And then in the rooms 10 and 11, we were actually here on the ground floor. You have a pretty good view out into the garden area. And